What's up, guys? Welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to show you how I accomplished my flat twist styles using two different products. My first is the Pure Honey Twisting Cream by Creme as well as Auntie Jackies Don't String Elongating Curling Gel. I am putting on my wide tooth comb, starting to part my hair. I am high for this video, so if you guys see me singing, yeah, I was listening to the radio. Right now, I am parting my hair how I want my curls to fall. I do like my part on the left-hand side, so I just set myself up automatically that way and just have my curls naturally fall that way. So right now I'm applying the Creme Twisting Cream, showing you guys that it's very light and smooth. It is a little bit thick, but honestly it's what I prefer. It keeps my hair soft for a long period of time. So I'm just working it in through my hair and making sure it's all the way through. And then now I'm putting out the Auntie Jackies elongating gel. I don't know why I'm trying to show you guys this. It's clear. But it is gel, and I'm rubbing that in there as well. It definitely keeps my hair from shrinking, and it definitely helps out your curls. It's definitely a good product to apply together. So I wanted to slow it down for you guys to see how you do a flat twist, just in case you do not know. Honestly, it's like a braid, but instead of 3 strands, you only need 2, and you're literally just wrapping and grabbing hair as you go along. Basically, that's all you're doing. It's very easy. I definitely prefer it way more than braiding, honestly. So I'm finished. I did my whole hair. So just a little recap, these are all the products I use. I use my Curls Blueberry Bliss line, as well as Creme Pure Honey, Don't String Auntie Jackies, and Mayo. Combining all of my products together that I love came out with awesome results. And so this is the next day. I am taking it out, and trust me, the results are awesome. Look how beautiful my curls are. They are so awesome. Combining all my products that I love together was an awesome idea. Honestly, my curls stay like this for days. I hope you guys so enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye.